Good morning, teacher. In this video we are going to explain our experiment called Artificial Lungs. The members of the group are Christopher Zurita, Brian Pasmiño, Rolando Barrionuevo, Paul Casco, and Camila Vizcarra.
Observation: demonstrate the damage that the cigarette can cause when a person smokes.
Many questions. Why the cigarette is harmful for health? And the other question is, how much smoke is damage for the lungs?
Search information. Search about all the problems that the cigarettes can cause for the health.
Hypothesis: the smoke of the cigarette remains inside your lungs, deteriorating them in a fast way, and also smoking causes serious illness in long term, like lung cancer. The cigarettes are dangerous for the health. Actually, just one of it contains more than 4,000 chemical substances, of which it is proven that 42 cause cancer. For this experiment, we need a plastic bottle and do a small hole at the bottom, and at the top with a tool like a screwdriver. It's important that in the top the hole has to be perfect because the cigarette has to be without any drain. At the bottom has to enter a pen with a screw top, and also meanwhile the artificial lung ends to smoke the cigarette. The bottle contains water, and when we open the top of the pen, the water moves, creating a vacuum similar to when our lungs inhale. The big problem here is that inside our lungs there is a mucus covering called surfactant factor. This mucus has the function of preventing the lung from sticking together when you inhale air and collapsing. Also absorbs dirty particles like those inside the cigarette. And next, we are going to use a new coffee filter, and we are going to put at the top of the bottle with a little bend. Then a person going to exhale, where we supposedly get rid of all the chemicals we inhale. We can see how the smoke is coming out, and finally we can observe a yellow stain. It shows all the toxic chemicals that stay inside our lungs, and we cannot make them come out.
Analysis and results. When we add the coffee filter, we can observe the restant chemicals inside. Conclusion: when a person smokes, it's impossible to exhale all the chemical substances that a cigarette contains, and this can cause serious illness like lung cancer.